Hundreds of meters beneath the waves, the ocean's twilight zone is an environment defined by extremes. The pressure is immense, the water temperature hovers near freezing, and sunlight is virtually non-existent. In this deep-sea vacuum, food is incredibly scarce. Surviving here requires strict efficiency. Organisms cannot afford to waste a single ounce of energy. Yet, drifting through this unforgiving darkness is a creature with an anatomy that seems to defy the logic of its environment. This is the Barreleye fish. Its physical form is perplexing. It has a clear, transparent skull, and inside, two large, tubular green eyes appear permanently locked, staring straight up through its own head. In an ecosystem where a single physical disadvantage can lead to starvation, it's difficult to see the benefit of a set of eyes that can only look in one direction. This physical configuration baffled scientists for decades, suggesting a biology that didn't fit our traditional understanding of deep-sea survival. To conserve the maximum amount of energy, the Barreleye's baseline state of survival is entirely static. It drifts through the dark water almost completely motionless. Above it, small crustaceans and tiny marine animals pass by. Faint light from the distant surface silhouettes these targets against the pitch black. Because the fish's eyes point directly upward to catch those silhouettes, researchers originally assumed it was a passive creature, waiting for food to fall directly into its path. That assumption held until advanced underwater observation cameras allowed us to record the fish alive, deep in its natural habitat. This vector cross-section of the Barreleye's skull demonstrates what those cameras captured. The tubular green eyes aren't fixed. They pivot on a mechanical axis, rotating from a vertical position to face forward at the exact moment the fish strikes. By tracking a target from above and rotating its field of view to lock on during the attack, the fish functions as an active, high-precision predator. But precision alone isn't enough to survive here, especially when your primary hunting ground is shared with the deadly, stinging tentacles of deep-sea jellyfish. The Barreleye actually targets these jellyfish, using its precise strike to steal trapped crustaceans directly out from between their tentacles. This diagram reveals how it manages this. The transparent dome is a specialized fluid-filled shield encasing those sensitive green eyes. The outer membrane provides biological armor. The fish plunges into a cluster of stinging tentacles, and the shield repels them, leaving the internal eyes untouched. Observing the fish steal food in real time revealed the logic of the transparent head. It provides the necessary shielding for a very specific, high-risk hunting strategy. Every strange feature of the Barreleye is a specialized tool, working together to solve the specific problems of the Twilight Zone. The Barreleye's anatomy represents a high degree of specialization, where every unusual feature solves a specific environmental pressure. Yet seeing one remains exceptionally rare. Its fragile body structure is easily damaged, and its habitat remains one of the most difficult regions on the planet to access. Because of this isolation, basic biological details, like how it reproduces or how long it lives, remain completely unknown. Chipping away at that unknown requires massive surface-level infrastructure, deploying advanced marine research vessels to slowly map these deep ocean ecosystems. The persistent mystery of the Barreleye is a reminder of our own blind spots. We still know remarkably little about the dark biome covering the majority of our own planet. The most sophisticated biological solutions aren't found among the stars. They are navigating the darkness of our own oceans, waiting to be seen.